Hello everyone and welcome back to CodeFlix. So we are in the second video of this JavaScript tutorial, and in this video we will see how to install things which are needed for basic starting of JavaScript. First and foremost is Node.js, and you can find the setup for Node.js on nodejs.org, and for Mac users also you can find the setup on the same website. I am using Windows, so I'll open download for Windows, or it shows on your homepage also, and uh, it shows the recommended one and the latest one. I would prefer you download the recommended one because it is a more stable version, and the latest one is a current version which is in beta and might not support the most features which we work on, or there might be some new features, and there might be a situation where your code might break. If I do some code in my version and you do your code in your version, there are chances that the code might break. So I would suggest that just click on this button, which is the most recommended for users, the stable version. Just download it and open the setup and just go next, 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 and you will download the Node.js on your laptop. And then if you want to check if you are on your Node.js, the Node.js is installed or not, just fire up the command prompt or your terminal and write node-v, which is for version, and mine shows 12.14.0. Your might show 12.17.0 because you might download 12.17.0. Mine shows 12.14.0 because that was the version which I downloaded. So to check for the node has been installed correctly or not, just write this command node-v and it will throw you a version and your node is installed. Then we need a code editor, which is I prefer to download Visual Studio Code because it has very useful extensions for JavaScript and it has a great support for JavaScript. It is available for Ubuntu, Linux, Windows, Mac, everything. Just go to code.visualstudio.com. You'll find the link in the description. Then download either a zip or installer file. For Mac OS, just click here. For Windows, just click here. And it will download. Just go next, next, next. And something like this will open. So this is the normal program which we'll be building in the next video. So something like this will open and there will be a welcome screen to open, and this is what Visual Studio Code looks like. So that's all for today's video. Hope you install everything because in the next video we will be starting the actual coding of JavaScript. Hope it helps. Thank you.